Welcome to StoreRobo. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly fulfill Shopify orders in bulk using the StoreRobo Import-Export suite. For this demo, I'll be fulfilling just one or two orders, but once you get the hang of it, you can use the same method to fulfill 10, 100, or even thousands of orders, whatever you need. All right, let's get started. I've got two example orders here. To make sure we're only updating these specific orders, let's note down their order IDs. We'll use these IDs to filter and export just the data we need. Now, head to StoreRobo app. Go to Export, select Shopify CSV, and click Proceed. From the list, choose Orders. Under the Columns list, select Basic Columns, Line Items, and Fulfillments. By default, StoreRobo exports 112 columns, 52 basic, 49 line items, and 11 fulfillment-related ones. Well, that's a lot of columns to update just for fulfillment. While it won't cause any issues, you don't actually need all of it. To keep things simple, let's select only the columns that matter. Under Basic Columns, select ID or Name. Under Line Items, select Line Type. Under Fulfillment, select Fulfillment Status and Fulfillment Location. But to make order management easier, it's also a good idea to include Fulfillment Tracking Company, Shipment Status, Tracking Number, Send Receipt, Process Date, and Tracking URL. No need to export the Fulfillment ID. New ones will be created automatically when we import the file. Also, the created at and updated at fields won't be importable, so there's no point in exporting them. Now let's filter the export so it only includes the two orders we noted earlier. Click Add, New Filter, select ID, and enter the order IDs. You can add other filters if you'd like, or skip filtering altogether. Totally up to you. Once that's done, click Export and wait for it to finish. Export time depends on the number of orders, but since we're only working with two, it's done almost instantly. Now download the file and open it in any CSV editor. I'll be using Google Sheets. Here's our exported data. For each order, set line type to fulfillment line. Set fulfillment status to success. If you have a tracking company, enter it under tracking company. Add the fulfillment location. This should be where the product is stocked in your store. If you want to mark the order as delivered, set shipment status to delivered. Processed at is the date the fulfillment was completed. Set it to either the current date and time or a date of your choosing, but ensure it follows this format. You can also add a tracking number and a tracking URL. To notify customers about their fulfillment, set fulfillment send. Receipt to true. Well, you don't need to fill out every column, just the essential. ID, line type, fulfillment status, and fulfillment location. Everything else is optional, but it is recommended to fill them. Now let's copy these details for the second order. Once all looks good, save the file. Back in StoreRobo, go to Import and upload the edited file. Then preview it to ensure everything looks good. And it does. Select Orders as the import data type and proceed. StoreRobo has detected the two orders from our file. Enable the option to update existing orders. This will ensure that the fulfillment data is updated to the correct orders instead of creating new orders in your store. Click Import and let StoreRobo do the rest. If you're really updating 1,000 orders, this is a great time to grab a coffee. StoreRobo will email you when it's done. Once the import is complete, check your orders, and there you have it, fulfilled orders. Just like that. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.